Okay, so here I am with Maurizio Reggiani, who's the Chief Technical Officer of Lamborghini. How have you developed that technology?
We have tried to understand what can be the new frontier for the development. And what we recognize is that today what is difficult is the fact that the car is able to understand and to predict what the driver wants to do.
Yet you say that, and I've driven it. How does it work?
Is working, putting inside all the inputs that a driver can give to the car without thinking.
Okay.
And normally, when you are sitting in the car, you touch the steering.
Yes, you feet on the pedals.
You feel what kind of mode you want to select it. If you want to be safe, fun to drive, or super sharp in terms of performance. You give input with the pedal. If you release a little bit the accelerator, or if you push accelerator, if you touch a little bit the brake. These are inputs that you give without to think to the car. And after the car have other, let me say, sensors that are, for example, the damper. We recognize if you are in a damping road, if you are in a flat road, and this is important. We use, for example, ASP sensor to understand if you have a slip, wet, ice, or if you are in a dry condition. We have a piattaforma inerziale that tell us if you are in a fast cornering or no. We took all this information, and with the LDVI, we are able to process this in a time that is unbelievable. Less of a blink of eyes, and to prepare all the system of the car with torque vectoring, with front and rear axis, with the output of the engine, in order to do exactly what you want to do.
Okay, talking about the future, when we look out across the show to the other stands, we will not talk about them too much. Electrification, we've spoken about this. The Aventador, naturally aspirated V12, naturally aspirated V10. These are beautiful, wonderful things. Do not let them go. But how are you going to embrace electrification at Lamborghini?
I think if we talk about super sport car, it's clear that the new generation will be contaminated from electrification. What is important is that the new Aventador must maintain the DNA that we have today. Means when you are sitting in a car, you must perceive immediately that it's a Lamborghini. Means sound, responsiveness is Lamborghini. It's clear that we need to integrate a level of electrification that allowed us to go down in terms of CO2, fuel efficiency, that give the possibility to be in some movement of the car in pure electric mode, but we need to respect the weight of the car, the packaging of the car, and the emotional of the car.
But you have to future-proof Lamborghini as well.
Yeah.
Because we're in a changing world.
This will be the big task for my team, for my engineering, to be able to prove that when you sit it, is an hybrid, but is a Lamborghini without any kind of doubt. This will be the future.